We're here, obviously, at Foley Hoag. So I'm Chris Requena, your organizer, but I'm going to turn it right over to Prithvi from Foley Hoag to give you guys a welcome here.
Chris. Hi, welcome everyone. Tonight I'm going to try to get out of the light here and speak up. So welcome to Foley Hoag. My name is Prithvi Tanwar. I'm an attorney here. I primarily work with early stage technology companies and a few investors, but most of my work is on the company side. I'm one of a group of lawyers here that focuses on basically working with entrepreneurs and their companies right from the start, all the way through an exit. So at any given point in time, we're working on multiple financings, just general counsel, day-to-day stuff, and then every now and then an exit acquisition, which is always cool. Usually when we do this, I could go on and on about the firm, but I'm not going to do that. You guys can look it up on the internet. But Chris has asked over the past few events to kind of talk very briefly about a legal topic. And I'm going to put emphasis on very briefly because, lawyers talking is always exciting. Very quickly, a topic that, we've covered in the past, kinds of corporations or kind of entities that you set up, how to set up founding agreements, how to have an IP strategy in place. Another topic that I'm sure is top of mind for a lot of the companies here today and a lot of founders here today is fundraising. Here's the deal with fundraising, all right? Number one, you really need to strategize before you kind of go out into the market and try to raise money. I have fantastic clients, and frankly, we always start in the conversation, and halfway through the first minute, you realize that they're letting the market drive what they think they need to raise, or how much they need to raise, or the way they're going to structure that investment. So think long and hard about your business, all right? Think long and hard about what you're trying to do with your business, about where you're trying to take it, and then think long and hard about if you need money, external money, to kind of take it from point A to point B. And if you go through that exercise, you will just enter into a kind of fundraising conversation with a very different mindset. I know what I just said was incredibly basic. You will be shocked to see yourself kind of, or see your fellow entrepreneurs fall into a trap where that thinking just kind of goes out the window. There are different kinds of financings out there. I'm not going to go through through all of the details, but note deals, right? Convertible note deals, safe deals, Series seed equity financings, and then Series A, Series B, and Series C's, which are larger kind of equity financings. All of them involve thinking about the next step. The shocking thing is anytime we're talking about a note deal, we're actually starting to talk about the Series seed deal. Anytime you talk about the Series seed deal, you're starting to talk about the Series A deal. Because again, the whole purpose of actually raising is to go from point A to point B. And if you aren't thinking about point B, you're kind of building a bridge to nowhere in a way. So talk to your advisors, get legal counsel. You don't have to work with Foley. You don't have to work with me. You don't have to work with anybody in Boston, but get legal counsel who works on early stage financings. It's incredibly important. There's a ton of information out there, but this is going to make me unpopular. But the truth is, almost all of that information is controlled by investors, if you think about it. So, get independent counsel to kind of help you through the process. It's really important. It'll be better for everyone. All right, have a great night, everyone. I'll be around. My colleague Mark is around here as well. So if you have any questions for us, please come talk to us. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Foley Hoag. Okay, we'll just go over some logistics and other information here that you should know. So again, I'm Chris Requena, your organizer. Please contact me if you have any questions at all. All the information you need tonight is in our program right here. And we do have Wi-Fi, which is the Foley Hoag GuestNet. It's listed on here, but you have to get the password off of the little posters on the wall that are probably behind you. There's a couple here. There may be some others floating around, but it's right there and there if you need to, or get it from your neighbor. So This event is geared towards helping these startups get traction, get feedback, get visibility. So if you can tweet about them, take some pictures, tweet some positive things, use our hashtag, which is BNT81 for this event. And you can also tweet at Boston New Tech and Foley Hoag, and we will retweet you guys as well and amplify your publicity for these guys. Each of these startups will get 5 minutes to present and give a demonstration of their product, and then they're going to ask for questions from all of you for the second 5 minutes that they get. So please think of some great questions for these guys. Don't try to stump them too much, okay? We'll ask the presenters to repeat the questions in the microphone too, so that we can get proper audio recording. We are video recording all of these presentations for our YouTube channel, so please check that out, follow and subscribe. Tom will be keeping track of the time for all the startups, so just keep an eye on him as far as when you need to transition to questions, and then when your time for questions is up as well. He's right here, Tom Maloney. All right. And if you are interested in partnering in any way with the group, just contact me. My email address is on the flyer, and we're willing to disseminate any promotions that you have for startup events or opportunities for startups or anything really that's relevant to our community. You can email that to me. If you do need the restrooms, they're just straight out this way. To your left, you'll see a little sign, so please do that. The bar service that we have out here actually will be open till 7:30. So if you do want another drink or beverage of some kind, you have until 7:30. Try to just go out this door if you do, unless the other door is closer. And I just want to recognize a few of our supporters before we go into the main program. So we have UPS, actually. All this information is on the flyer that you guys got, but UPS has numerous services to help startups and small businesses grow, from shipping discounts to supply chain management and many other services. And you can contact Catherine directly at her email address on the flyer here. We also have your profile video here tonight, filming and taking pictures. And so actually I want to invite Nate to come up and just give a brief intro.
Hi, everybody. Check, check. All right. My name's Nate Cantalupo. I've been filmmaking in Boston for about 5 years. I do everything from company profile videos, which is like a homepage video, to background video, to crowdfunding campaigns, et cetera, et cetera. I think video is just an amazing tool. It's on everybody's phone these days. So yeah, if you're not already using video in your business, get in touch. And if you are, get in touch. All right. Thanks, Chris.
Cool. So yeah, you can contact Nate directly with the information provided here. Let's see if we can go. And we also have Coalition on hand tonight. Coalition's an awesome co-working space partner. RJ?
Hey everyone, my name is RJ. I'm the community manager over at Coalition Boston. We are a co-working space, which is a big group of startups, all sorts of different companies working in the same office space. We are in Chinatown, and we're just about to finish our renovations to the space, so now is the time to hit us up if you need office space, or if you know anyone who needs office space, let me know. We have a really great community of people from all different industries, so it's a really fun place to work, great bustle, and we're also hiring someone, so if anyone's interested, just talk to me, and thank you all.
Thanks to all the sponsoring partners. And IBM is not here, but I do want to recognize their support. They have a lot of free services for startups as part of their Developer Works and Bluemix programs. So you can check that out and apply to receive thousands of dollars of services. And also you can tap into IBM Watson, their artificial intelligence technology, and use that in your product. Now I'm going to actually play a video from Garage Plus, which is an awesome accelerator opportunity for startups. So give me just 1 second to launch that.
Discover your partners, investors, and markets within 10 days. Most entrepreneurial in Asia. creative makers, designers, and competent engineers. Key players in global supply chain. Smart money. Global business capabilities. Most friendly, supportive environment. Safest and affordable place to live. They partner with Taiwan. Join us to make a difference. Start up in Taiwan.
So we welcome Garage Plus.
Thank you, Chris. Yeah, so basically, this program is mainly supported by the international industrial supply chain and also some key players based in Taiwan. And during 10 days, you will have fascinating experiences to meet with the investors and the potential business partners. So this is a program helped by Garage Plus, a zero equity and nonprofit incubator in Taiwan. And we have more than 80 mentors and more than 30 manufacturer partners. So in this program, we will offer free flight tickets, 10-day accommodation, and most importantly, you will have a chance to meet with the top executives one-on-one meeting in Taiwan, like the global supply chain. So the application is very straightforward. We welcome this area to apply for the program, and the stage is about seed found to Series B. So before September 24th, which is next Sunday, just submit your application online. And I can highly recommend this program because in the previous experiences, we have over 1/3 of the teams obtain the opportunities here. And establish their office in Taiwan, or they produce their products within 6 months. So most importantly, we will have a networking and info session tomorrow at Kendall Square at 4:30, and our foundation president will be there. So feel free to join us and grasp these opportunities. Just 10 days in Taiwan. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for Garage Plus. Now, if you look on the back of their program, you do have all the startup information there. All of their Twitter handles are readily available, so please do tweet and help them out. Give them some feedback and support, and we're going to retweet you guys. And we'll go just in this order. We'll start with 12 Jobs, then Mini Mole, Real Play, Crowd, Friends Up, Risk Call, and finally Point Motion.